Naperville Bank and Trust, which has been in town for 12, 13 years now, is part of the Wintrust Community Bank Group. I think since almost the beginning, we were talking about that today in a meeting, and it goes way back from the Halloween happenings that we helped to sponsor, movie night at the park, and some other events over time. So I would say over 10 years for sure. The community is an important part of what we do. It's part of our culture. So an opportunity like this to get with an organization that does so much for the city of Naperville through the Park District programs is just part of that community that Wintrust really looks forward to support. Yes, we've got to sign up at the walking track, and we're supporting some of the Park District facilities through our sponsorship, but the fee assistance program for us is really a big deal, not just with the Park District, but with numerous organizations throughout the communities where we do business